Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the loudspeaker on the Motorola Moto G Stylus 2022 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to heat the edges. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic cup pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the board cover by undoing 9 screws. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the logic board. Next, remove the not working speaker from the body. First, remove the bottom faulty speaker cover by unscrewing 8 screws. Next, place and secure the new bottom speaker cover by inserting 8 screws. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, place and secure the board cover by adding 9 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.